Welcome the our channel. Today we how to use Discord on. Open your Samsung phone and locate the Discord app. If you haven't installed Discord, go to the Google Play Store. Search for Discord and tap on the download button. Once the installation is complete, open the Discord. You will see the welcome screen with options to log in or sign up. If you already have an account, tap on Login. If you're new to Discord, tap on Sign Up. Fill in the required details like email, username, and password. After signing in, you'll be taken to the main interface. To join a server, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Now, tap on the plus sign, usually located on the left sidebar. Select Join a Server. You will need an invite link to join an existing server. If you have the link, paste it in the provided field and tap Join. If you want to create a new server, go back and select Create a Server. Follow the prompts to set up your server name and settings. Once your server is set up, you can invite friends by tapping the Invite button. To access your settings, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Here, you can manage notifications, privacy, and account settings. To send a message, simply tap on the text box at the bottom of the channel. Type your message and hit the send icon. To voice chat, tap on a voice channel in the server. Ensure your microphone is allowed to access in your device settings. Once in the voice channel, unmute yourself to start speaking. You can also share your screen or video by tapping the respective icons in the voice channel. To log out, go back to your settings and scroll down to find the log out option. Confirm the action, and you will be logged out of Discord. This concludes your quick fix guide on using Discord on your Samsung phone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.